Well, here's one of those products that people lust after because they like to stick them in their ears and walk around and get lots of music going. And that's the Apple AirPods Pro. We're going to draw them in a little holder like they just came out of the box and they're staring at you, just begging to be worn and listened to. It's a drawing with no real colors, just some shading and pencil work. Let's get going. It's unboxing time. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. Did you know we publish lots of fun coloring books for both adults and kids? You can get them from Amazon, Etsy, or the Art for All website. Check the link in the description for more details. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.